I'm 23 years old and I live in New York City, which is one of the most expensive cities to live in the world. It was only a matter of time before I made one of these videos. So, on today's video, I'm going to be going over how much I spent as a 23-year-old living in New York City. So guys, I'm back from Apple store and here is my shopping bag which has my new phone in it. So let's do some unboxing. I hope you guys are ready and as excited as I am. That's by saying that this case feels so sleek and it's so thin compared to the former boxes. Oh my god, this feels so satisfying. Ooh. Are you guys ready? Okay, so I got this in iPhone 12 Pro Max 256 gig. I used to use a 7, so this is like a major upgrade. I got the silver. Oh my god, see how it looks so cute. It looks like it's white. I really love this. This is so cute. This is the phone itself. This is what it looks like. iPhone 12 Pro Max in silver. Ooh. This is what it looks like. The edges. Guys, so I'm on my way to the post office right now. So I made my first sales on Depop yesterday and it's so amazing. I'm so happy. I mean, I didn't take it serious, but now I'm about to start taking it very serious. It's just about a 15-minute walk from my place, so I'm headed there right now. It's super windy. That's why my hair is like this. I should have used the cap or something, but oh well. So I'm headed there right now. I don't even know how the whole thing works because Depop already pays for the shipping, so I don't know but I'll figure it out once I get there. Okay guys, so I want to do a quick grocery haul and show you guys some of the stuff I got. So I got some bananas, fresh bananas. I also got some strawberries, you know, staying healthy. Some blackberries, grapes, fruits, very cute. Then some raspberries as well. Then noodles, ramen. I actually got 2 packs, but then when I got back I was so hungry, so I had out of the other pack some spaghetti, bread, butter. Oh, I'm not done with my fruits. Some apples, fresh apples. I got mackerel in brine. I got 2 of this. I got vegetable oil because I'm almost out of the one I have before. Some tomato sauce. Baked beans because I love it. And yeah, so that's all that is in this bag. And then I got beef. I got some beef and then fish. 2 different types of fish. I got catfish because I love that very much. And then I got croaker fish. Then I got beef. And I got goat's meat. And then I got chicken. So I'll be doing meal prep. So some of these things are actually going to last. These things are actually going to last me for about 2 weeks or more. And then it's not like I'm going to finish all at once. There'll still be leftovers, which would, so when next I want to go grocery shopping, I would consider that. Like I still have some I got from previous grocery shopping, so that's how it works. Let's be doing some meal prep right now for a week or 2. Yeah, so let me just get into that. Hey guys, what's up? So today is Wednesday and I'm not going to work today, but I have a few errands to run, so I'll just take you guys along and I hope I don't spend so much today, because let's just see how much I spent today. As much as I love coming to Seoul, I don't also like coming to this place very much, because with this place you just see so many stores and so many things that you want to get, that you love to get, but then you need to be disciplined. So right now my first stop is the Nike store. I want to get some things there, not for me but for a friend, so that's the first place I'm going to be going to. I'm done at Nike because they didn't have what I was looking for. They didn't have what I was looking for, so I didn't get anything from here. So now moving to my next destination. Right now, I just want to get my lashes done, so I'm just headed there. So right now I have to use the ATM because my rent is actually due in a few days, in about 2 or 3 days. So I need to use the ATM. I actually don't like holding cash. I don't like having cash with me because you gotta be careful. But I'm just going to use the ATM and then head home straight. Yeah. So let's do this. Hey guys, so right now I'm on my way to New Jersey. I have something to do there, a rabbit task actually. So right now I'm headed there. Once I'm done, I'll be back to New York because I still have to go to work today. So just headed to New Jersey now. Then from New Jersey, I'll be back to work. Yes. Guys, so I just got to New Jersey now and I'm about to take the bus to my location. I didn't include my utilities, so I'll be doing that right now. So obviously I pay my utilities every month. That includes gas bills, electricity bills, phone bills, internet and all that. So for the week I divided it by 4 and it's amounted to $40.16. So yeah, so now my total for the week is I'm trying to calculate, guys. Oh god. Jeez. $745 37 cents. That's a lot. So I didn't include the phone. So when I included the cost of the phone, $2,167.28. That's a lot. I mean, living in New York City, this is actually really a lot to spend in a week. But then I don't buy shoes every week because I went to Skechers to get some shoes and it was Black Friday sales, so I got 2 pairs of shoes for the winter season because I didn't have much. So I bought that at Skechers. So I don't buy shoes every week. So if I didn't include that, that should have amounted to about 600 and something. Yeah. And then savings and investments were also included. I make sure I save a portion of my money and I invest save as well as invest a portion of my money every week, at least $100. You know, it's just because I've been so keen on finances this past few months, so I make sure I do that. So I mean, if I have to leave the investment or savings out, that is not much if I'm setting aside 200 to save and invest. Also, I also track my expenses using Mint. It's an app, so basically it's makes you know where your money is going to, what you're using your money on, and everything. It tracks your expenses for you. I also use spreadsheets so that I can further categorize where my money is going to. So I've been able to keep track of my expenses. So something like I said with the groceries, that all that I bought would last me for a very long time. I might not go grocery shopping till like 2 or 3 weeks because I have everything I need and it's just me. I don't eat very much, so yeah. And then I didn't spend anything on Saturday as well as on Sunday because I was at work, and I always make sure I try as much as possible to cook my food. I don't eat out. I don't really eat out. Only if maybe I've been out for a very long time, like I've been out all morning and then I'm really out till like late in the night or late in the evening and I get hungry, of course, and I have to eat. So of course I have to buy something. So that's the only few times I really buy, like I eat out. If not, I'm always cooking, so that also saves me a lot of money. So and then luckily for me, I don't have friends in New York yet, so I don't really have to worry about going out, spending unnecessary money. And I mean, it's sometimes you need to do like just hang out once in a while and chill, basically. So I mean, if you don't do this, I think you should just do this once in a while. Just track your expenses, know where your money is going to, know what you're spending your money on. That way you'll be able to cut out things that are not necessary, things you don't actually have to spend your money on. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hope you guys wouldn't judge me or anything. I know 700 and something dollars is a lot to spend in a week. Trust me, I know. And also I don't get my eyelashes done every week, and I don't microblading. That was my first time doing it, and then I'm not going to do it again because it's going to last for a number of years. So that was just, and then it was Black Friday, so I got, you know, some pretty high discounts. So yeah, so obviously that's another $100 that if I deduct, it would be about 500 and something dollars I'm spending in a week. Yeah, so it's actually not bad, you know. Yeah, and like I said earlier as well, New York City is a very expensive city to live in. The cost of living is so high. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you think I should have cut down anything or things that you think were irrelevant or something, and just let me know how well I did. So like, and subscribe if you haven't. Thank you so much. Hope to see you guys in another video. Love you. Bye guys.